Hello everyone, my name is Demon Knight, and welcome to a brand new game of Portal, which Portal is literally all about, physics basically. You know science, you know everything. So let's begin. I never played this game before, just so you know. This is all brand new to me, so... Well, I mean, I did play this before, but I'm not on this channel, so... What Portal is all about is literally it's a physics game where your goal is to know what exactly to do. So let's just start with the game, and you'll know what to do. You'll know what I mean exactly later. And here we go. Okay, so walking like this. I think it needs to pick up, right?
Hello, and again, welcome to the Aperture Science Computer Aided Enrichment Center. We hope your brief detention in the relaxation vault has been a pleasant one. Your specimen has been processed, and we are now ready to begin the test proper. Before we start, however, keep in mind that although fun and learning are the primary goals of all Enrichment Center activities, serious injuries may occur. For your own safety and the safety of others, please refrain from Turn back. The portal will open in 3, 2, 1.
Portals. Great. Oh, okay. I look so tiny. Oh well. Let's go. Cameras, we must destroy these cameras. No, I can't, can I? Okay, well. Oh geez, this test really... Oh no, this test is so hard, I can't even... I can't think of... Destroy that. I thought it would work. Okay.
Excellent. Please proceed into the chamber lock after completing each test. First, however, note the incandescent particle field across the exit. This Aperture Science Material Emancipation Grip will vaporize any unauthorized equipment that passes through it. For instance, the Aperture Science Weighted Storage Cube.
Okay. So this game is really fun so far. You know, that was 1 out of 19 tests now. Now we're into a real test. So let's begin.
Please place the weighted storage cube on the 1500 megawatt Aperture Science Heavy Duty Super Colliding Super Button.
Oh, it's literally like... Okay. Get this, get that. Oh, hello! Betrayed. Wow. Okay, I feel so betrayed right now. How could you... Okay. Yeah, you made me feel betrayed, thank you very much.
Perfect. Please move quickly to the chamber lock, as the effects of prolonged exposure to the button are not part of this test.
Is anything part of this test? It's Aperture. I hate science.
You're doing very well. Please be advised that a noticeable taste of blood is not part of any test protocol, but is an unintended side effect of the Aperture Science Material Emancipation Grip, which may, in semi-rare cases, emancipate dental fillings, crowns, tooth enamel, and teeth. Very good. You are now in possession of the Aperture Science handheld portal device. With it, you can create your own portals. These intradimensional gates have proven to be completely safe. The device, however, has not. Do not touch the operational end of the device. Do not look directly at the operational end of the device. Do not submerge the device in liquid, even partially. Most importantly, under no circumstances should you... To ensure the safe performance of all authorized activities, do not destroy vital testing apparatus. Please proceed to the chamber lock. Mind the gap. For your own safety, do not destroy vital testing apparatus. Certain objects may be vital to your success. Do not destroy testing apparatus. Well done. Remember, the Aperture Science Bring Your Daughter to Work Day is the perfect time to have her tested. Welcome to Test Chamber 4. You're doing quite well. Vital testing apparatus destroyed. Once again, excellent work. As part of a required test protocol, we will not monitor the next test chamber. You will be entirely on your own. Good luck. Vital testing apparatus destroyed. As part of a required test protocol, our previous statement suggesting that we would not monitor this chamber was an outright fabrication. Good job. As part of a required test protocol, we will stop enhancing the truth in 3, 2, Vital testing apparatus destroyed. While safety is one of many Enrichment Center goals, the Aperture Science high-energy pellet seen to the left of the chamber can and has unbelievable. You
Subject name here.
must be the pride of.
Subject hometown here.
Warning devices are required on all mobile equipment. However, alarms and flashing hazard lights have been found to agitate the high-energy pellet and have therefore been disabled for your safety. Good. Now use the Aperture Science unstationary scaffold to reach the chamber lock. Please note that we have added a consequence for failure. Any contact with the chamber floor will result in an unsatisfactory mark on your official testing record, followed by death. Good luck. Very impressive. Please note that any appearance of danger is merely a device to enhance your testing experience. The Enrichment Center regrets to inform you that this next test is impossible. Make no attempt to solve it. The Enrichment Center apologizes for this clearly broken test chamber. Fantastic. You remain resolute and resourceful in an atmosphere of extreme pessimism. Hello again. To reiterate, previous one was of momentum. Spectacular. You appear to understand how a portal affects forward momentum, or to be more precise, how it does not. Momentum, a function of mass and velocity, is conserved between portals. In layman's terms, speedy thing goes in, speedy thing comes out. The Enrichment Center promises to always provide a safe testing environment. In dangerous testing environments, the Enrichment Center promises to always provide useful advice. For instance, the floor here will kill you. Try to avoid it.
Okay, so this whole time it was a no commentary, I think. I'm not sure, but, unfortunately we have to go on break. Yeah, because I don't have the proper mouse. And I did not know my mic was not working, or it might have, I'm not sure entirely. But if it didn't, I'm sorry for the no commentary because it's a Portal game that's too damn easy. So, yeah, you did not get no commentary this one because my mic didn't work apparently. And it was my fault for not double checking, and I'm sorry for that. People were expecting that. But, yeah. I promise you next time, I'm hoping next time, I will have commentary on. So, that'll be 11 through 19 at least. Yeah. So, next time we will be playing the rest of the game. Bye bye!